Baby's got her first hiccups. You got your hiccups? No.
So cute.
That is. Oh. You got the hiccups?
Is this her first time?
Uh-huh. Baby's first hiccups.
What's the date?
The 6th.
6 February.
Oh, and a sneeze. Very good. Why are you so cute? If y'all want to watch more of our videos, I'll put some more videos right there on the screen. I'd love it if you watched more of our videos. Thank you for watching this one. If you want more of our future videos, make sure to click that subscribe button right there in the middle. As always, we appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for smashing that thumbs up button. And thanks for being Shiggity Shank.